What's going on, everybody? It's Rick from Garden with Barchuckin. I wanted to give you this quick PSA. Don't forget, Dollar Tree has their vegetable seeds and their flower seeds 4 for $1. I stopped by on Friday, picked some up, and then again on Saturday and picked some up. So I just wanted to make sure you guys were aware. Check it out. They even have microgreens available. This was $1.25, and then these other ones are 4 for $1. Don't sleep on the dollar store. They do have some good seeds. I've grown them in years past. Last year I really didn't pick up any, so with getting them again this year, I wanted to let you know they are available. Check your Dollar Tree out, and depending on what state, you will have to pay taxes. Delaware is sales tax free, so I don't pay any extra taxes when I order the stuff. I did pick up, what was it, 44 packs, so I should be good on some seeds. I got some other seeds ordered, Little Shop of Seeds. They should be coming in sometime this week. Yeah, so I hope this helps. Don't forget, you can share the video, let your friends know. If they haven't started gardening yet, check out the Dollar Tree. It's a very minimal investment, and you can start, growing your garden. Comment down below. Let me know if you've ever gone to the Dollar Tree and used their seeds. Like I said, I have in the past, and they've worked just as well as the seeds I've picked up from Lowe's or a seed store. And then I'll be starting some seeds soon, so I'll bring you along and show you that process. Thanks for coming along, checking out the video. Everybody have a great day.